Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bronwyn and this is my Toronto apartment tour video. I am a weekly vlogger here in Toronto where I've been sharing my life as I live it. I've been living in South Korea for 2 years. I lived in Tokyo, Japan for 2 years. And I also lived in Melbourne, Australia for a year, and now my home, Toronto, Ontario, is back where I ended up. Anyway, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my empty apartment tour. This is literally the last day in our apartment. We are moved out officially, but I want to give you guys a full apartment tour now that I'm no longer going to be living here for privacy and safety reasons. So without further ado, let's hop right into the tour. This is the front door entrance with our closet where you hang your clothes and where we kept our kitty litter. The hallway to our apartment was actually really long, which is one thing that we loved about the apartment because it made it feel like you weren't in a condo. It was kind of like your own personal home. Washer and dryer is in this little door right here, which came with the unit, which was super awesome. You'll notice this door right here, that's our powder room. So it's not a full bathroom, just enough to use the toilet, wash your hands, and then get ready in the morning. Then you have our main living area. This is probably one of the biggest units when it comes to the actual living space. The total size of our unit, I think, is in the mid 700 range, either low 700 square feet to mid square feet. Kitchen area, which was nice and big, but to be honest, it wasn't the color that I originally wanted when we were looking for apartments, but stunning. I loved the white countertops, not in love with the black cabinets. Storage space was okay, could have been better, but we made it work for us. We also have a little oven right there. I don't think it's a full-size oven, but pretty close. And then we have the range top right there with a cat on the counter. Here's what originally sold us on this unit. It's west-north facing and mostly west, which means we get solid late afternoon and sunset lighting, which was my favorite thing. Plus we have this amazing view of Lake Ontario. And when we first moved in, you could fully see the CN Tower, but this building popped up while we were living here, unfortunately, but still nonetheless stunning views. If anyone is wondering, we are located on the 36th floor, which is something I'm only sharing now because we are moving out, so it's safe to share that information. It is a 1+1 unit, which means it comes with a den, which I used as my office space, and then the main master bedroom. That's it. Master bedroom was small-ish, but we were able to fit all of our stuff in. Again, we have that amazing north-facing view. This was where my bed was because that was the only way that it fit into the room. And then we have an okay, like pretty standard closet space. Was almost not enough for 2 people, but we made it work. Then we have our master bathroom, which I loved. I took so many baths in this bath, like once a week. And just really a nice clean with the rainfall shower head and then the handheld as well. Then we have the little vanity space. The storage here is kind of meh, to be honest. Like I can only reach the first 3 shelves. I can't reach anything above. There's 3 different additional shelves, but you know, short girl problems. And then we have a little under the sink space, which worked, but I did have to buy additional drawers to really optimize the space. So that is the view walking out of the master bathroom, looking out onto the rest of the city of Toronto. This is one of my favorite views. I just hate that it's north because you don't get any direct sunlight coming through this window whatsoever throughout the day at all, but still made stunning views. Walking out of the master bedroom, you have kitchen view, looking onto the full unit with the lake west of the city facing that way. And then in the den, you also got that stunning west-facing view with the small sticky outie style balcony, and then north view as well. View from the den, so it is quite small, but it was just enough space for a functioning office for me, which was great. And then whenever I would film videos where I needed more space is when I would access the main living room. But yeah. Anyway, you guys, that is it for my Toronto apartment tour video. I'm doing this really fast because it's been a long day. It's been a long day and we are in a rush to get out of here. Otherwise, if you guys have any questions about the video, please let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Anything related to this kind of unit in this city, cost-wise, anything I'll be happy to answer now that we're no longer living in it. Because we're all clear for privacy reasons. It was one of my favorites. I'm actually really, really sad to be leaving this unit and this building because we loved it here. We had so many good memories here, and just unfortunate circumstances after another has led us to needing to find a new place. The amenities in this building also are really, really amazing. We had a steam room until they closed it down for COVID, a full sauna, hot tub in the women's change room, infinity pool on the rooftop, which is outdoor only though, so you can only use it in the summer seasons. A really amazing gym, which I'm going to miss as well. But again, like since COVID hit, we honestly haven't been able to use our amenities really at all in the past year. So it's like bittersweet to say goodbye to that. But anyway, thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you've ever lived in the downtown Toronto core. Let me know what it was like for you, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.